What's up, chat? We're back with another video. Car's still wet from the last video, if y'all didn't check it out. We drove to my girlfriend's house in Houston. That's where we're at right now. Bro, we barely got into this garage. We had to use all of this. Let's get this garage open. Let me get these set up for you guys so y'all can see what we had to do. So this first one goes like right there. And this other one goes like right there. We had a two tall here with these mats. Now let me start the car. It's starting to rain, bro. This is what we gotta do, chat. I absolutely hate it, but it is what it is. Look how good the car looks, you know what I mean? All right, let's move my girlfriend's car real quick so we can get my car out of here. But yeah, guys, look, this is the setup we gotta use. We in the full rings, look at that, sheesh. Y'all are about to see how sauced it is trying to get out of this driveway, bro. Especially getting out of this, because there's a double lip. Oh my God. My lip caught this part yesterday. Like that little ridge.
You're good.
Everything's still intact?
Everything's good. You're good. You're good. Good.
Cleared?
Yep.
Let's go.
How do you feel?
High five.
Watch. It's gonna be a 10 out of 10 video, guys.
Where are we going?
We're going to Loro.
Laura? Asian Smokehouse? Yeah. Bet.
Maybe for the money and the power and the fame right now. She will do it for the
So right there off Duini. Yeah. 2 o'clock, put your motherfucking hood up. It's the weekend.
She from a small town, nigga, so big tree.
Which way do we go?
We're Johnstown.
Ooh. That sounds sick.
These scrapes. Oh. Here's another one right here.
Emergency video.
This is a bad one. Oh.
They're like every couple inches.
Yeah, I don't think you should do pulls.
Chad, look who pulled up. We got Tyler. Fully maxed out the car, huh?
Something. Oh shit! I parked really far over there.
How you
Sorry.
doing? Oh,
What's up?
chilling.
I didn't realize I parked over that far.
The spoiler's looking clean.
Yeah, that fucking thing's filled.
Yeah. I know, right? Fully race card out now.
The only thing I worry about.
You did? Oh, that was a street car.
This is Travis's new car.
You can get the billet ones. Billet finish.
Alright, chat. We just finished dinner. Now we're outside. I don't know, I think we're figuring out what to do. Some tanzanite action. Damn, Rich.
You need to angle.
I'm already coming out of the angle.
It's gonna scrape. It's gonna scrape.
Yeah. He's quick too.
Oh, it says road humps too.
I wanted to come here and just chill for like a few minutes, but it's kind of busy. So, I don't know. We can just go to the meet, we'll just be early. It's not till 8 and it's 7 now. It's 20 minutes from here. I'm down with that.
Better parking spots, I guess.
Yeah, better parking, I guess.
Yeah, there's probably a lot of people that are going to show up early, but if we all get a chance that we can all park together,
Yeah.
at least the three of us, red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
You guys stock exhaust in your car?
Yeah. Weak, right?
Why?
I don't know, honestly. I was roasting myself for it. I've done everything on the car but fucking crank hub and exhaust.
Yeah. Alright, we're just gonna go there. ABZ Motors. ABZ Motors? Yeah, ABZ Motor Cars.
ABZ Motors?
Where we're going.
Yeah, they're glossy explain. Way better than the map.
Way better.
This dude's over there struggling.
I am.
Yeah.
I scraped every one pretty much.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Dang.
Put your foot under mine.
I could do each single one of mine straight on.
That's insane.
I only had
You have a little bit more clearance, but yours is longer out. Yeah, I bet.
I heard you scrape. Bro, your lip is falling off.
It is, right?
Hey, we should make a custom GTS hood for you.
How are we gonna do that?
Solid.
Cut it?
And then we push the aluminum down.
Yeah.
Yeah, just kind of push it down.
I can weld it.
Heat it up and we'll stretch it a little bit.
You know, I was about to buy a spare molar like hood,
I know.
just painted.
No.
It was like 200 bucks. I should have just bought it. Look at Alex's new wheels, guys. He got new wheels. He's got new seats. Roll cage put in, and then Travis's new car. Sponsored Habibi Tire, huh?
Yeah,
Let 'em
and
know,
F80D.
Damn, bro, Alex's car looks so good now with the black wheels. He got a little Oreo vibe going on. trap? Doing that rev match, I see. Oh my god! I guess that entrance is blocked off. My car's not cool enough or what? They making us park with fucking Civics? Nah, yo. Tripping at. Alright boys, we made it to the meet. Fuck this meat, dust ass meat. Not gonna lie. Look at all this dust, bro. Just all of this dust. Yo, this shit's mad clean. Carbon hood, it's wrapped. As is. What is this? Yo, it's a Cayenne GTS. We need it low key. All this is wrapped though. Cayenne GTS.
Oh, just a GTS.
But it's all wrapped carbon fiber.
Ugh.
This is nasty. Look at the wheels too, bro. You wanna check out these rice boxes? I like it, bro. Damn. Alright, chat. We made it back to my girlfriend's place. Car is filthy, bro. Look at this. Can't really tell right here. We come towards the back. Hold on. Let me show you with some light. Bruh. Are you kidding me?
We do this for that, she